Okay folks, take two. Let's do a battery test on this JJRC H54W. I'm estimating about 6 minutes. It should be similar to the Shadow, so I'll just sit on 30%, get the gyro going, and let's take off. Start the clock. Okay, I'm not going to do any crazy timing here. Really going to see how long our battery lasts for you guys. So it's on 30%, might put on 60%, and let's get the recorder going so we can do a bit of filming. So this is a pretty cool drone. If you're in the wind at all, don't fly these drones. They don't handle the wind very well at all. Okay, and I do wish this had a hand controller with it, but unfortunately it does not. Which is a bit of a pain because it's a lot easier to fly with a joystick control rather than using your mobile device. Let's just bring it down here so you guys can have a look at it. See if we can hold that steady at all. Pretty twitchy on the settings, pretty quick. It's on 60% now, so you can see it flies pretty responsibly. Be interested to see how long this lasts for actually. So I've just charged this battery, as I said, literally 5 minutes ago. I'll try not to hit any trees. Try anyway. Like that tree there. Here comes the wind. It's not temp fate. This drone's got a few other cool features. Voice command. And you can see I'm really tilting it now with the wind. It's not doing much. Give some more wind. Yeah, voice command, so you can tell it to take off or set down, turn left, turn right. Okay, so we've got a flashing red light now, so I would suggest we are about to go flat. So let's just keep it steady. I reckon it's only about 5 minutes. So the Shadow could be a bit better than the H54. And bear in mind, when these run low on batteries, they just do some kooky things and start flying on their own and go all over the place, left, right, up, down. So they're really unpredictable. So when that light starts to flash, like I said, which mine was, but now it's stopped flashing. So maybe it's hit some reserve. Interesting to see. Go around us here. No. It's going pretty well. Actually, we might even hit our 7-minute target. Okay, we're going down now. Here we go. Now we're just about out of power. Sort of get a sixth sense of how these things work. So the red light's flashing. Yeah, after a while you realise no, it's doing its own thing, so look out. So let's sit above the ground and wait for it to run out of power. So I'm predicting about 7 minutes for this too, so looks like all these drones get between 5 and 8 minutes of flight time, which is pretty cool. And there it goes, landing. Stop the clock. There you have it. Temperature. It's quite warm. After these run, they do run pretty warm. So, be interesting to see what sort of time we got from this JJRC H54W. Pretty cool little unit though. Good indoor drone. Little selfie indoor drone. Yeah, not too much good in the wind, but yeah, pretty good fun to fly. No worries. Interesting to see the results, and yeah, have a look at my other videos for some battery tests as well on some other sub $100 drones. And yeah, that's all for now. Thanks very much for watching. Have a good day, guys, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.